Exposing the power of small acts of kindness in creating a brighter future? Or this is gonna blow your mind. Kindness can change the world. At Voice of World, we believe that hope is more than just a word. It's a beacon, guiding us all towards a brighter tomorrow. As we step into this new year, let's carry forward the spirit of hope, kindness, and unity. Imagine a world where compassion leads the way, where every small act of kindness creates a ripple of change. This year, let us stand together to bring light to the lives of the helpless. Offer them the support and dignity they deserve. Because every little action we take can bring us closer to a world where love and understanding prevail. May this year be a step toward a future where peace flourishes and no one is left behind. Remember, it's the small acts of kindness that can make the biggest difference. Together, we can make a difference. So let's step into the new year with hearts full of hope and hands ready to help. Happy New Year! From all of us at Voice of World Education, Hope, and Change.